Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave and I am coming back to you this week with grapefruits. Okay, what is it about grapefruits or grapefruit juice that people taking medicines, especially cardiac medicines, need to know about? Well, this week in the office, I was speaking to a patient and they happened to tell me that they were drinking grapefruit juice every morning. Well, upon review of their medicines, I realized that one of their medicines can actually be interfered with when taking grapefruit or grapefruit juice. What do I mean by this? Well, grapefruit or grapefruit juice can inhibit an enzyme called the cytochrome enzyme that is found on our intestinal wall. This enzyme binds certain medications and doesn't allow all of the medications that somebody takes to get absorbed into their bloodstream. So it actually decreases the amount of medicines that will get into the bloodstream. We will still have enough medicine in the bloodstream, but if we inhibit that enzyme, then the amount of medications that will be absorbed through the intestines can increase, and that can lead to side effects, and it could lead to big problems. So my point is, if you are somebody who consumes grapefruit or grapefruit juice, if not every day, a few days a week, you really should speak with your doctor or pharmacist about potential interactions with the grapefruit and the medicines you're taking. Common medicines such as some cholesterol medicines, blood pressure medicines can be affected. So please don't text me your questions about the medicines you're taking, but rather call your physician, speak with your pharmacist, make an appointment to have a discussion. So if you are consuming grapefruit juice or grapefruits, or you're thinking about it, review your medicines with your doctor or pharmacist before doing so. Okay, everybody, just one last thing, Save a Life. It's a company that I partner with. I love very much. It is a free CPR course. We should all know CPR, all of us. Everybody watching this video right now should know CPR. So check it out, Save a Life, links below. And until next time, this is Dr. Dave.